Let's make a delicious meal in minutes with this lifesaver Mexican rice. No time, no problem. Upgrade your dinner game with this express rice. Easy and fast. So here I have my 2 eggs. I added to my egg a bit of my Fondor season and also a bit of salt and black pepper. On the side, you can see I have my chicken breast. It's already seasoned and cooked with some vegetables, which I had bell pepper, carrots, and a bit of seasoning and also onions. So I mixed my seasonings with my egg. So I added my vegetable oil to my pan. Then next will be the egg. I will allow it to fry on its own till it's almost ready. Now we will go ahead and add our express rice. And it's very easy. You will stir it all together, and then after that, after 1 to 2 minutes, you can add your chicken breast. So in here I added a bit of my fondant for taste, and also a bit of salt and a bit of black pepper. Mind you, the rice comes cooked though with a bit of seasoning, but it's not all that 100% seasoned, so you have the chance to add in your kind of seasoning depending on the taste you want. If you like it spicy, you can add your chili or pepper to it. I like mine normal, so that's why I added just the black pepper. Our express Mexican rice is ready to be served. Very easy, fast and flavorful. I hope you give it a try at home. You can get this rice from any Edeka shop if you are in Germany. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.